Namaskar. Stress is an invisible weight you carry yourself throughout the day. It steals your joy, your health, and your peace of mind. But what if I told you that reducing stress is possible? Today, let me teach you 3 powerful yet simple tips that can help you to live a lighter and happier life. The first tip: laugh and love more. Have you ever noticed how light you feel after a good laugh? That is not a coincidence. Research shows that laughter reduces cortisol, which is a stress hormone, and boosts endorphin, which is our body's natural feel-good chemical. Laughter activates our parasympathetic nervous system, which helps you relax. Love, whether it is family, friends, or even pets. This helps releasing oxytocin, the love hormone, that reduces stress and increases the feeling of bonding. So spend more time with people who make you laugh or revisit things that make you happy, like funny movies or cherished memories. Hug someone you love or tell them how much they mean to you. Now, laughter and love can't solve all the stress, especially when we are overwhelmed by obligation and unable to say no. That's where my second tip will help you. So the second tip to reduce stress is to assert yourself. See, understand, this constant people pleasing is a hidden but a very serious stress trigger. Every time you say yes when you mean no, you are putting someone else's need above your own. Over time, this builds resentment, drains your energy, and increases your stress level. It's like carrying a backpack where you are letting everyone else put their stones in it. You have to carry it, but have no space for your own stuff. That doesn't sound good, right? So the next time you are tempted to say yes out of guilt, take a pause, say, "Let me think about it," and decide later if it aligns with your priorities. Practicing assertiveness means setting boundaries kindly yet firmly. Try telling yourself, "My needs matter too." Remember, saying no doesn't look that you are selfish. It makes you wise. While boundaries reduce stress externally, inner peace needs to come from within. That's where yoga plays a transformative role. The third tip to reduce stress is to have a consistent yoga practice. Understand this. Yoga is not just about flexibility or fitness. It's a scientifically proven stress reliever. Studies show that practicing yoga reduces cortisol level, improves mood, and enhances your ability to cope with stress. Why yoga works is because it combines movement, breath, and mindfulness. Together, these elements calm your nervous system and bring you into the present moment. Here are some of the best stress-relieving asanas for you. First, child pose or balasana. This is a grounding pose that soothes the mind and stretches the lower back. Next, we have the legs up wall pose or Viprit Karni. This promotes relaxation and improves blood circulation. The third pose for stress relief is cat-cow pose or Marjari asana. This asana gently stretches the spine and trains you to connect your movements with breath. Don't forget to use the profound power of pranayama for stress relief. Add deep breathing techniques like Anulom-Vilom or an alternate nostril breathing or Bhramari, that is humming bee breath, to your daily practice. These calm your mind instantly. All you have to do is commit 10 minutes yoga every day. And always remember, consistency is more important than duration. Today we explored how reducing stress doesn't require big life changes. Laugh and love more to nourish your soul. Assert yourself to protect your time and energy. And finally, embrace yoga for inner peace and resilience. Stress is inevitable, but with these 3 tips, you are well on your way to a calmer, more joyful journey. Try them out and see difference in your own self. Namaskar.